Papua New Guinea is a spectacular country with the most beautiful natural landscapes, bustling urban centers, and remote villages which still live traditionally in both highlands and islands. But this extraordinary geography and challenging access to far-flung corners of the country means that PNG lags behind its neighbors in the Pacific when it comes to access to literacy and education. 40% of the population in PNG is under 15, so schools are overwhelmed with overcrowded classrooms and sorely lacks teachers, books, and teaching resources. Book Bilang Pikinini has been working for nearly 15 years with a mission to help increase literacy rates in children from a young age and to instill a love of learning. We established library learning centers with an early childhood education program to help children start their education built on solid foundation in both literacy, numeracy, health awareness, and cultural knowledge. We have an after-school literacy support program and library services for school-age children. We provide teacher training and upskilling to support teachers and schools with our comprehensive curriculum and teaching resources. We donate school library re-establishment kits so schools can restock their library and have quality books available for the students in the classroom. We believe in the power of libraries to build a knowledge nation. We publish our own books and readers to ensure the children can relate to the books they read. We also provide digital learning and have developed an app especially for PNG's children. Our programs are inclusive and holistic and seek to provide the best possible education opportunities for all children. We are grateful to our amazing donors and partners for your ongoing commitment to improving education outcomes for the children of this beautiful country. Together, we can give the children the roots to grow and the wings to fly. Libraries are the key to literacy.